Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact and email the Klarna Customer Service Team. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to contact the customer service team for Klarna because of any errors within the application, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in and search for the Klarna application. Once you find the Klarna application, tap on it, and if you scroll down, you will see the app support button. Tap on the drop-down menu and you will find the email address. Just tap on this email and then open up your email application to directly send a support email to the Klarna support team. Now, within the subject section, type in the nature of your query and explain your case in detail within the main body section of your email. Finally, tap on the send button to send your support email and just wait until you receive a response from the team. Once you receive your response, you can follow the instructions within to resolve your issue. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the customer support team for Klarna. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.